Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the final update video to the Misery Machine. And after a lot of fiddling, a bit of cajoling, and only a couple of curses, I finally got the body mounted. And it really isn't too bad, but this Jimmy Flintstone resin is enough thicker than the Little Red Wagon's styrene that it binds up in a couple of places, especially here on the front corners, and a little less so on the back corners here. And it also doesn't have the flex of a styrene body, so you got to be more careful with it and go quite a bit slower trying to get everything lined up and seated into place. But other than that, that's the kit supplied windshield and the kit supplied dashboard. They both dropped in with no problem. This is not the kit supplied vent window here because the glue bomb didn't have it, so I just cut a new one out of some clear plastic. I've got the first of the mesh here on the passenger's window. That's made out of some craft screen. I'm going to be putting more of that over the windshields. Side pretty much as we saw last video. And coming around back here, you can see the beginnings of my dual exhaust stacks here. I'm going to be having those run through a single muffler up the back of the truck and then little stacks up top, as I wanted to have a snorkel and a high exhaust on it so that it could ford water if needed. And over on this side, you can see right up in here a scratch-built weapons rack. I wanted to wait until this was all mounted so that I didn't knock things loose as I was trying to get the chassis in. So I'm going to load that up. And I need to do a little cleanup right here at the bottom where the door and the floor don't quite mate up. But just run a piece of plastic across there for a sill and that'll work just fine. And so there you go. Just a couple other little features to see up close. You can see a little bit in there of the custom steering wheel that I did. It's got a Mad Max style skull on there for the horn button, as this was another item out of my parts box and it was a little bit deformed in the middle. So I said, no, that's no problem. Just cover that right over. And inside there, just behind the driver's seat, you can see the generator, and that's going to power some of the accessories in the truck. And for that, I've got a radio up there on the wall, and I've got some cabling going down the side into those junction boxes right there. And another view of the generator there. There's that. And there you can see the dual exhaust running right from the engine to the end of the vehicle. There we go. I need to tighten up this front wheel too. It's a bit floppier now that it's got the added weight of the body on it. That's that, and next I just need to detail the body, which is the headlights, the grille. I need to put the bezels over these and the chainsaws coming through, build the roof rack, finish the exhaust. I'm going to put a ladder up the back and detail the inside of it. So that will be the next update. And I will be posting a full slideshow of the finished model. So check back then, and thanks for watching.